Welcome to Review Lab. The best holiday collection is probably one of the most anticipated seasonal releases, offering a delightful array of festive items. From charming kitchenware to cozy home decor, this collection promises to infuse your space with warmth and cheer. Whether you're searching for the perfect gift or looking to elevate your holiday celebrations, the Pioneer Woman Holiday Collection has something to offer, making it a must-see for anyone looking to embrace the spirit of the season. Number 5. Culinary Couture Silicone Tip Kitchen Tongs Set of 3. Introducing the Culinary Couture Tongs Set. This set of 3 different sizes makes it easy to handle any food. They are perfect for all your cooking and serving needs. These tongs make turning and flipping food a breeze. The non-stick design ensures your food won't stick. You can choose the right size for whatever you're cooking. Made with stainless steel and high-quality silicone, these tongs are built to last. They can withstand heat up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. They are easy to clean and ready for any meal. The silicone tips are safe for non-stick cookware. They are stain and odor resistant. These BPA-free tongs keep your food safe every time you use them. The non-slip ring pull locks the tongs open or closed. The ring also allows for easy hanging and storage. It's a convenient tool for any kitchen. This set of tongs is a great gift for anyone who enjoys cooking. They come in a beautifully designed gift box. It's an elegant present for any occasion. What we like? These tongs come in 3 different sizes, perfect for any cooking task. They are heat resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can confidently use them with high heat cooking. If you are looking for a versatile set of tongs that are safe for your non-stick cookware and easy to store, you should consider these. What people say. The Pioneer Woman Holiday Collection is absolutely beautiful. The colors are vibrant and the designs are festive. I love the quality of the pieces. Number 4. Pfaltzgraff Trellis White 16-Piece Dinnerware Set. Introducing the Pfaltzgraff Trellis White 16-Piece Dinnerware Set. This set is perfect for any occasion, from casual meals to formal dinners. It's a beautiful addition to any home. This dinnerware set is crafted from high-quality stoneware. It includes 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 soup bowls, and 4 mugs. The stoneware construction ensures long-lasting beauty and durability. The design is reminiscent of a metal trellis, painted white and weathered over time. It features a subtle scroll pattern with dark markings for an aged look. The details make it unique and eye-catching. Made from high-quality stoneware, this set is built to last. It's designed to withstand daily use while maintaining its elegant appearance. You can enjoy it for years to come. The design complements any decor, making it suitable for any occasion. Whether it's a casual family dinner or a formal gathering, it fits right in. It's a versatile choice for your dining needs. All pieces are both dishwasher and microwave safe. This makes it easy to clean and convenient for everyday use. It offers both style and practicality. What we like? This dinnerware set is crafted from durable stoneware with a beautiful distressed white finish. The design complements any decor and is suitable for both formal and casual occasions. If you like a versatile and stylish dinnerware set that's also microwave and dishwasher safe, this is a great choice. What people say. The Pioneer Woman Holiday Collection is absolutely beautiful. The colors are vibrant and the designs are festive. I love the quality of the items I have purchased. Number 3. Pioneer Woman Cooks, A Year of Holidays Recipes. This cookbook is your guide to delicious celebrations all year long. It features 140 step-by-step recipes, making holiday cooking easy and fun. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of recipes perfect for any holiday. From simple snacks to impressive main courses, it has something for everyone. Each recipe comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, you'll find it simple to create amazing meals. The book focuses on making holiday cooking enjoyable and stress-free. It provides tips and tricks to help you create memorable meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Get ready to impress your family and friends with these delightful dishes. This cookbook is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook and celebrate. What we like? This cookbook offers 140 step-by-step recipes, perfect for any holiday celebration. It provides simple and scrumptious recipes to make your gatherings memorable. If you are looking for inspiration and guidance to create delicious holiday meals, this cookbook is a must-have. What people say. The Pioneer Woman Holiday Collection is absolutely beautiful. The colors are vibrant and the designs are festive. I love the quality of the pieces. Number 2. Pioneer Woman Cooks, Simple Recipes for Busy Lives. This cookbook is perfect for anyone with a busy schedule. It's filled with simple and delicious recipes. You'll find something for every meal. The recipes are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. They are also incredibly tasty. It's a great way to enjoy home-cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. If you're always on the go, this cookbook is a lifesaver. It offers quick and easy meals. It helps you eat well, even when you're short on time. Each recipe includes clear instructions. You won't need to be a culinary expert to create amazing dishes. It makes cooking fun and accessible. With this book, you can enjoy fantastic food. It offers a variety of recipes to suit all tastes. It's a must-have for anyone who loves to eat well. What we like. This cookbook is designed for those with crazy busy lives, offering simple and scrumptious recipes. It provides easy-to-follow instructions for delicious meals, even when time is short. If you are looking for quick and tasty recipes to feed your family, this cookbook is perfect for you. What people say. Each recipe has an intro, a list of ingredients, a photo of the finished dish, and then step-by-step photo instructions. Some have fun variations listed at the end. The meatloaves are unbelievably moist, really yummy and easy peasy. They're the best turkey mini meatloaves I've tried. Number 1. Bacon grease container with strainer, 46 ounces. Do you find yourself struggling with leftover bacon grease? This container offers a simple solution. Just pour the grease in after cooking, and the strainer ensures you get clean, flavorful grease. Made with easy-to-clean and durable enamel, this container resists staining and chipping. The included silicone spatula is perfect for scraping and stirring. With a generous 46-ounce capacity, this container is spacious enough for all your needs. You can keep it on your counter or in the fridge. The lid closes easily, even with the strainer in place. This container adds a touch of country charm to your kitchen. Its farmhouse design makes it a great addition to any home. It also comes in a beautiful box, perfect for gifting. We are confident in the quality of this product. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we will make it right. We are always improving our designs based on your feedback. What we like. This bacon grease container has a large capacity and a built-in strainer for clean grease. It also adds a touch of farmhouse charm to your kitchen decor. If you are looking for a stylish and functional way to manage bacon grease, you should consider it. What people say. Love that it has a screen to keep out all the bits and pieces. The strainer is perfect for the little pieces that need catching. The spatula is very helpful in scooping the grease out of the cooled-off pan into the strainer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.